Good morning, juniors. It is Monday, March 30th. This is Mr. G, and I'm here with the distance learning for the week. Remember that this week's goal is to finish our grammar on no red ink. We have one more unit of commonly confused words broken down into a few different assignments, and then we need to take the final junior grammar assessment. I'm going to be doing a couple of shorter videos this week walking you through these things, but it should be straightforward and self-explanatory. For Monday and Tuesday, you need to complete the two short units for commonly confused words 1 and 2. These are the assignments that are in no red ink. These need to be due on Wednesday, April 1st. This is just a quick screenshot of the content for section 1 and the commonly confused words you're going to be reviewing. Here's a quick screenshot for section 2 of the words that you're going to be reviewing. So once again, that's on no red ink. Get in there and knock those things out. As a reminder, I have office hours every day from 9 to 11 if you'd like to use Calendly to schedule a video conference. Otherwise, ask me any questions at mgiuliano@tustin.k12.ca.us. I will be back on Wednesday with the second part of this video. In the meantime, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.